Okay, unit 9C3. We've gone ahead and made the repairs to the starters that were not working, and we're going to perform the test to show that it is in good working order before it ships out. So we've got the unit after it's been repaired. We've installed two small benchtop motors here. You can see they're nicely labeled low and high. We've got our power source here and our control station here that we have. So we've got the lights, the switches, and the emergency stop button. That's all tied into the circuitry through the terminal block that goes out to the door. So what we'll do is we'll ask the operator if he'll turn the breaker on, please. Okay. We'll go ahead and we're going to energize the unit. You can turn the power on. Okay, as you see, don't mind the flashing light, as that's just an indication for the operator, but you can see the green light has come on, indicating it's in the off position. Get a nice shot of that. You can see they've all been labeled accordingly. Come over to our display here. Okay, if you'd go ahead and press the button, please, the step button. Thank you. Go ahead again. Okay, we see it says off there. Go ahead again. 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 Go ahead. Again. Excellent. One more. Okay, and you see we've got a green light for off. Okay, we've got our timer set. We're going to go ahead and we're going to turn the switch into remote. Okay, you've probably heard that. I don't know if you're able to see it, but if you go ahead and cycle that off again, please. Yep. And then to remote again. So that's the relay energizing. Okay. If we'd go ahead and turn it into low, please.
Where is it, on the building?
So you've heard the motor probably turn on, and we'll actually show it to you. Yeah, that white tape didn't do as good as we'd like with the white picture behind it, but that motor truly is in fact spinning there. Okay. You can see that we still got our low speed still running. Actually, I think I could work. I could do this. We've got our slow light lit there. Slow. Got our 4 amps on there. 4 amps, 5 amps, voltage is correct, overload 0. Okay, so then we come over to our little control station, and you can see that the low run light is on. Okay. Alright, if I'd ask the operator switch over to high. Okay. You can see the high is running there. The H1 starter is also pulled in. Come over to our indication panels. See our fast light is running. We got fast on the screen. Nice even numbers. The size of the motor we have connected is too small for the application, but it at least confirms that we have a constant voltage supply coming out. And you can see the low slowing down there, turning off. You can come over and still see that the high speed is running. The H1 starter is still running, and the low is actually turned off. We've got the proper light still illuminated over here. Okay.
He took my spot, yeah. Well, this is a little smaller than my truck. And my truck's like way the hell out. And I used to park over like that.
Okay. Alright, Mark, if you would, I'm going to ask you to actually push the emergency stop button in to indicate a operator stop. Okay, so he's gone ahead and done that. You can see that he's pushed that big mushroom button in. We've gone to the stop position. We're indicating when that red light is flashing like that, that does indicate that you are still in the run position on the switch, but the mushroom button is pushed in, indicating you had an operator emergency stop. So you can go ahead and turn the switch to off, and you see that red light will leave, which is exactly what we're looking for, and all our starters now are turned off. Get a shot there. It's a little bit hidden behind the crossbar, but okay, we're gonna go ahead and we'll just give it one more operation. I'd like to start it. You can reset your. There you go. Excellent. And then I'm gonna ask you to go ahead and we're gonna start it into low again, if you would. You can see low operating there. The H is not running, and that is also not running. Again, a quick shot of the lights. And a quick shot of the motor. And you can see high is slowing down as well. Actually, high has stopped already. Okay. And I'll ask you to switch that over to high, please. And you'll come back over. You can see low is slowing down and high is running full speed. And a quick shot of the lights again. Quick shot of the panel. And that's it. That'll conclude our test. You can go ahead. Actually, you know what? One thing we'll do is we'll switch that back over to low, make sure our timing relay is active. And you'll get a 10-second time delay approximate from the moment he had switched that. And there you go. So all the relays are functionable, all the meters, pilot lamps, starters, etc. are all in working order. And you can go ahead and turn that to the off position. And that'll be that.